Hey guys, well, I'm about to start the next 3D puzzle. This one is Weasleys, Wheezes. It's the it's Fred and George's joke shop. So I've just punctured out the first few bits, and we'll see how we go on, and I'll let you know in a little bit once I've built it up a bit more. Well, that's base level. So we've got some shelves, some other bits in the back. I think there's some Bertie Bott's of beans and stuff. There's Fred and George. Right, so I've literally just popped out the next bit, and I've got to find those numbers now, and then I'll show you once that bit's done. Right, that's the second layer. So that will go on there somehow, but we haven't got the wall yet to connect it. So the next instruction is this one. So we're on the next layer. Alright, I think that's pretty much the inside done. It looks so cool. So now I think I've got to put the roof on, and then I think there's like a mechanism for the hat on the outside, but we'll see how it goes. Well, this is Weasley's Wizard Wheezes. And if you move this bit, ding, 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 ding. And obviously it's round the back. And there's Fred and George. Puzzle complete.